quick pee, huh? Where are you going? That's not our door, silly. This is the door. Come on. Come on. Bella. Wrong door. Ugh. There you go. Alright, we're on the move. Going to pick up a package from 7-Eleven, Amazon locker. Can't wait to open this bad boy up. You'll see what it is real soon. Alright, so I forgot the GoPro car mount. So, yeah. Sit tight. Let's see how long you stay upright in the passenger seat. Don't imagine long. Woo! And there you go. You okay there, buddy? Hey, face tracking still doing stuff. All right, well, to protect the gimbal, I'm gonna hold it down for a little bit. Okay. Well, I'm excited to see how this footage looks with the 32 on with the outdoors driving around, because this might be the filter I just keep on the guy for driving. Oh, I got a phone call.
Stay in one of our 5-star hotels.
Yikes, scam call. Alright, I'll be right back. See you soon. I forgot a mask. You need these. All right, here it is. Track my face there with the mask on. Yeah, that's pretty good. That'll do. What? What are you tracking? Okay. And we're back. So, the real reason I'm making this video is really to convince myself not to order the new Sony ZV-1? The ZV-1? ZX-1? I don't know. All the YouTubers are posting their reviews today on that item. And it's made specifically for vlogging and content creators. It's made specifically for video and content creators, which I don't consider myself those. yet. Maybe. Anyways, I wanted to utilize what I had, which right now I'm using the DJI Osmo Pocket with a filter on there and a Rode Video Micro for sound, and I just wanted to use what I have and not spend more money, because I think I could put those resources to better use if I'm gonna throw $900. I mean, $900, buy a new light. I don't really have good lighting equipment. Okay, well, see you inside. I get home and I see this troublemaker. Look at her. Okay. All right. It's a box, but not the pretty Sennheiser box. Interesting. Oh, that's good. We got the Sennheiser case. Inside the case we have manual. We have the microphone clip, which looks like a standard thin clip that'll hold shotguns and pencil condensers. And of course, the mic adapter, which is great for the European metric mounts. In America, we take these out, and we almost always lose them. And I will agree, as most people would think, that these microphone adapters, or this thread mount, what is this, 3/8? Was it Whitworth? Is that what they call it? 3/8 Whitworth? Is the superior thread than what we use in America, which is the 5/8 thread in there, because it's just so small relative to the inside there. Come on, focus. Cover my eyes. The inside there, which are nice thick threads that are less prone for stripping. And then if you feel in here, usually the American mount, see, this is a plastic clip, right? That means these threads are probably plastic. Whoa, whoa, locked onto my hand. Interesting. Clear that hand. Well, that was embarrassing. Anyways, like I was saying, these clips, these mic clips, these plastic guys, sometimes you'll have the threads, or there'll be like some sort of metal lining in here, but this feels plastic, and that is also a reason why these are superior mounts. I want these two to live together. And of course we have the microphone that I'm sure a lot of you guys know. It is the MKH-416 P48. Ooh, it is pretty. Fairly small microphone, almost exactly a foot it looks like. And you get the windscreen. which, in my experience, will turn to dust at some point and leave black little flakes everywhere. Tight fit. Can you hear that? That's all that foam rubbing up on the interference grill. Did you hear that? Yeah. Okay. And immediately upon putting that windscreen in there, it's left little tiny black flakes inside the interference tube. Not a big deal. But we'll see how much usage this actually gets, right? Is there anything else hiding in here? Put this back in carefully. Not that I need it in there. At the moment. That goes there. Is anything under the foam? No, that's it. Okay, so let's show you all the package here. Still tracking my face. Awesome. So, I'm pretty excited to put this to use. I've never had a good, I would qualify this as good, a shotgun mic. I do have another shotgun microphone that I use occasionally, but I don't use it for location sound. It's just a general shotgun microphone. It's the Audio-Technica AT8035? Maybe AT8053? One of those. And for live sound production, I usually just have it at the booth to capture a little bit of ambient sound to clean things up a little bit, or to blend the mix. Sometimes you just need a room mic just to blend things, and that guy works great. But excited for this, so we'll try this out soon. Okay, bye. Okay, so just did a little quick unboxing of the MKH-416, and just wanted to get some footage of the DJI Osmo Pocket here, preventing me from going and pre-ordering the Sony ZV-1, which just released. So this is an attempt to not spend money by using what I already have, and you guys let me know if this footage looks okay, or should I buy a new camera that you know, everyone's reviewing right now and saying it's great for content creators and vlogging and all that junk. So otherwise, all right, I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.